Do you know what the secret is to making great videos? It's the background music, really. Just think about your favorite scene from any movie. It was the background music that evoked your emotions to love that scene so very much. The fact is, music sets the tone and the mood of the video. It pumps up energy. Visuals can't do it alone. Good music makes videos 100 times better. But finding the right music track for video is a challenging and a painful task. Millions of video creators and business owners are forced to pay anywhere between $100 to $1,000 per music track. Those who cannot afford it use popular soundtracks but end up facing damaging copyright issues. What if you had the power to solve the biggest problem of millions of people around the world? Presenting MusicMan, artificial intelligence software that automatically creates original and unique premium music tracks in seconds. With millions of combinations, you could easily create unlimited music for any type of video. An example: want happy vibes in your video? Add something like this. Want energetic music to pump up video? Try something like this. Want a calm, peaceful feeling in your video? How about this? Want to have them at the end of their seats? How about this? MusicMan is the world's first AI software that automatically creates music tracks instantly. In fact, the background music you hear right now behind my voice was created using MusicMan. This app is so strong that it is automatically creating a unique music track every minute passing. While you are watching this video, one more freshly created music track is actually added in AI tracks inside the dashboard. Also, you can create your own original music in seconds in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to select the genre, choose categories, set the mood, the desired tone, and enter required length of music track. Now, step 2 is to let the AI create music in seconds based on your choices. Now, the best thing is you will get different original music every single time, even with the same settings. And step 3, you download the music and add it to your video. Now, the good thing is that multiple music tracks are created for each project, so you can listen, choose the best track, and download it in just one click. Imagine you will be able to create your own original music in seconds for sales videos, animated videos, presentation videos, explainer videos, videos for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, videos for blogs, vlogs, video ads, podcasts, TV commercials, gaming, entertainment videos, and basically any type of video. This is huge. Without MusicMan, you would normally spend hundreds of dollars on each music track. With access to MusicMan, though, even if you create 1 million videos, you'll never have to buy an audio track again. This is going to save you so much money. A premium sounding track will be available almost instantly, and it didn't cost you a penny. And the best part is, when you create music inside MusicMan, it comes with unlimited rights, which means it's 100% unique to you and can be used anywhere. Use it fearlessly on social media, television, your website, or anywhere else, and get 100 times more profit from your videos. Never worry about copyright issues ever again. No more spending thousands of dollars for background music tracks. No more relying on the same handful of overused and beaten to death free music, which is heard on millions of other videos and degrades your video's overall appeal. And honestly, we've saved the best for last. Just for today, we are including special commercial rights with MusicMan, which means you can auto-generate and sell music tracks to clients, to customers, and local businesses and generate revenue from these exciting one-of-a-kind tracks. How about that? These special commercial rights also include a unique, done-for-you website with preloaded 10,000 music tracks. You can rebrand it in a few clicks to create your own music website to sell background music. Do you know that sellers on Fiverr and Upwork actually charge up to $1,000 for music creation? Now, with access to MusicMan, that will create original premium music for your clients in just a few seconds with 3 clicks. How about you having a gig on Fiverr and Upwork? Now, the possibilities with commercial licenses, they're endless. Charge whatever you like to the client and never pay us a cent in licensing or royalty fees. You keep 100% of the profits, of course. MusicMan has complete step-by-step video training, and it comes with a 30 days hassle-free refund guarantee. So try it risk-free, and if you don't like it, get your money back. No questions asked. Before we close, I have a simple piece of advice for you. Buying many good video editing software packages is a waste if you don't have one good background music creation app like MusicMan, which could give soul to your videos and make them 100 times better for more profits in your business. So click on the buy button below to grab this special one-time pricing deal before we change it to a monthly subscription. Grab MusicMan at the lowest ever price that it's going to be in this once-in-a-lifetime deal before time runs out. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.